Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on computation of income from other sources. Kindly watch the video till then, like it, share. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a problem on computation of income from other sources. The problem is from the following details. Let me stretch this one here. From the following details of Mr. Anand, compute his income from other sources for the assessment year 2021. Family pension rupees 48,000. Winnings from lottery, so net here rupees 70,000. C, royalty income rupees 32,800. D, income from agriculture in Sri Lanka rupees 40,000. E, directors fees rupees 12,000. So this is a simple problem here. So we have to compute income from other sources. So let's discuss the problem here. So family pension rupees 48,000. So it is exempted to the extent of 1/3 of the pension received or rupees 15,000, whichever is less. Then in winnings from lottery, net is given, so we need to gross up here. Royalty income 32,800 is taxable. Then income from agriculture in Sri Lanka, so this is also taxable. Directors fees received is also taxable here. So now let's compute here. So computation of income from other sources. Name of the assessee Mr. Anand. Previous year 2019-20. Assessment, here it is assessment year 2021. So now let's compute here. Let me insert 3 columns here. So it is particulars rupees. So now let's begin here. Family pension. So here family pension received is given as rupees 48,000. So 48,000. So now from this let's deduct here less exemption under section 57 subclause 2, that is 1/3 of rupees 48,000, which equals to rupees 16,000 or rupees maximum of rupees 15,000, whichever is less. So that comes to rupees 15,000 here. So 15,000. So when we deduct here, we are going to get a 33,000 rupees. So 33,000. Then the next one here, winnings from lottery. So we have given the net income here, so we need to find out the gross income. So gross income gross income equals to, so there's a formula here, so net income multiplied by 100. Let me underline this here, so underline here, divided by 70, because the rate of TDS on the lottery it is, so 70 here, 70. So now let substitute the values in this formula so that you get so the net income is given as rupees 70,000 multiplied by 100. So here let me underline this, divided by 70, that is 100 minus TDS we should take here. So let me remove this underline here, let me remove this here, so 70, so the answer will be rupees 1 lakh here. So 1 lakh. Then the next one comes here, royalty income. So royalty income. It is given the problem as rupees 32,800. So 32,800. Then again we have got income from agriculture in Sri Lanka. So this is also given as rupees here, rupees of 40,000. So 40,000. Then we have got directors of fees, which is given as rupees 12,000 here. So 12,000. So now let us take the total of this here. So this is a gross income. So here we are going to 1,33 plus 32, 1,65 plus 40, 2,05 plus 2,17,800. 2,17,800. Now let us check here. 800, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. So from this, so there are no deductions here. So less expenses, or we can call it as a deductions under section 57. There are no such deductions here. There are no such deductions. So income from other sources, or a taxable income from other sources, will be 2,17,800. This is how we need to compute the income from other source. This is a very simple problem here. So this is how we need to calculate here. So the only thing, the change in this problem and compared to the previous one here is gross income we should take. Why we should take gross income? Because always the tax is levied on the basis of the gross income. Thank you.